But if all of them are secured, and every countryman are secured, that is what is expected, on the part of a country in the context of the solidarity and the unity. So here is the song. Allah tero naam, Ishwar tero naam, sab ko sammati de bhagavan.